Hey guys, here is another question. Here we have to consider a rectangle. So let me draw a rectangle over here. So this is the rectangle over here with sides A, B, B, C, C, D and DA, correct? And now we are having 5, 7, 6, 9 points interior in the interior of the line segment, that is 5 points over here. So let me use a different ink. I have 1 point between A and B, 2 point, 3 point, 4 and 5. Between C and D I have 7 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are the 7 points. I have 6 points between B and C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And I have 9 points. So I'm just going to draw a line because making a circle is difficult like this. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 9 points for DA, correct? And now we need to find out the number of, let alpha be the number of triangles having these points from different sides as vertices, and beta be the number of quadrilaterals having these points from different sides as vertices. We need to find beta minus alpha. So this is the rectangle. We need to form triangles and quadrilaterals with these points at vertices. So let us look. We have alpha, that is the number of triangles. Alpha is 61, that is we are taking 3 points from each of these sides, that is as we can see having these points from different sides and vertices, that is each point should be taken from different side. No two points can be from the same side. So let us look. We can form a triangle between these three sides, these three sides, these three sides, these three sides, this and this side. I just made all the combinations possible. So let us write 6C1 into 7C1 into 9C1. That is, we take a point from this. Let me just change the ink. We take a point from this. We take a point from this and we take a point from this. That makes one triangle, correct? And now 5C1, 7C1, 9C1. I take a point from this. I take a point from this and I take a point from this. So that is what we get for the second term. The third term is I take a point from this, I take a point from this, and I take a point from this, as I said. And the last one is I take a point from this, I take a point from this, and I take a point from this. That is, we are taking adjacent sides as the groups over here. This is side 61 is BC into DC into AD, correct? So these are the combinations I am taking, adjacent sides multiplied to each other. So the total points become for 1173, and beta is quadrilateral, that is we take 4 points from the points mentioned and over here, and we have want each side to be different and vertices to be from different sides. So there is only one possibility, that is I take 1 point from each side. So the total number of quadrilaterals formed can be 1890 and the subtraction becomes 717. Thank you.